With Diorama Designer 2.0, you can still cut by hand, or you can send your designs to a Silhouette Cameo or SD to automatically fabricate, cut, and fold lines.
It's crazy how now machines do like everything for you.
If you want to use the Silhouette, you can select this option the first time you launch Diorama Designer. You can choose this option even if you're not connected to a Silhouette. You can change your mind anytime by going to Preferences, check Use with Silhouette at the bottom, and then click Choose Model. If your Silhouette is connected and turned on, the software will recognize the model. Diorama Designer works with both the Silhouette Cameo and SD. When Use Silhouette is selected, a Print Fabricate button appears in the lower left corner of the construction screen. Click this button to open the Print Fabricate dialog. In Print Preview, you'll see special marks in 3 corners of your page. These registration marks tell the Silhouette where your design is positioned. The marks for the Cameo and the SD are different, so be sure you select the right model in Preferences. When you're ready, click Print. Then you're asked if you want to use the Silhouette. You can fabricate now or later. To fabricate now, click Yes. The Fabricate dialog gives you step-by-step directions and help for changing the blade setting, positioning the paper on the cutting mat, positioning the cutting mat in the Silhouette, and loading the cutting mat. These step-by-step directions make it easy. After a few times, you'll be an expert. Now let's follow those directions ourselves. First, remove the protective liner from the cutting mat to expose the sticky surface. Then place your printout on the cutting mat. Line up the top of the printout, the end with the 2 registration marks, with the top of the grid, and the left side of the printout with the left side of the grid. Position the cutting mat against the Silhouette rollers. Place the end with the arrow first, so it's centered between the rollers. Be sure Load Cutting Mat is selected on the Silhouette panel. Then press Enter. Now that your printout is loaded, you're ready to click Fabricate on your computer screen and watch the fun. First, the Silhouette looks for registration marks. Then it starts fabricating fold lines and cut lines. You'll notice the tool head sounds and moves differently depending on what it's doing. When the Silhouette is finished, Diorama Designer reminds you to unload your design. Now you can remove your design from the cardstock. Then fold up your model and glue it together. As mentioned earlier, you can print now and send to the Silhouette later. From the main choice screen, go to the Edit menu and choose Fabricate. Then enter the 2-letter code from the upper right corner of your printout and click Fabricate. You can also fabricate your design by opening the original file. Click the Print Fabricate button in the lower left. In Preview, be sure to select the same size and layout, and then fabricate as usual. Using Diorama Designer with the Silhouette lets you create models quickly and easily. And it provides an easy and exciting introduction to important social studies, math, language, and STEM skills and concepts. If you like hands-on projects that help students learn by doing, you'll also want to check Community Construction Kit, a fun and easy tool for designing and building 3D models of historical and contemporary homes and buildings. Learn more about Diorama Designer and download free models and a free demo version at the Diorama Designer website. Have fun!